Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now in this video, I am going to share the topic in which we are given with two simultaneous equations. One is a linear equation and the other is a quadratic equation. Let's see how do we proceed to find out the solutions of x and y. Now just call this as equation 1 and call this as equation 2. Right? Now working on equation 2 first, like x minus 2y is equals to 1, you can write it as x is equals to 1 plus 2y. Now call this as equation 3. Now put this value of x in equation number 1, that is 4y square minus 3x square is equals to 1. This is our equation 1. Put the value of x, so you get 4y square minus 3 bracket 1 plus 2y square is equals to 1. Further, you can write it as 4y square minus 3. Just open this bracket by applying the algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square. We get 1 plus 4y plus 4y square is equals to 1. Further, you can simplify it as 4y square minus 3 minus 12y minus 12y square is equals to 1. Here you have two terms, two quadratic terms. So just simplify them. You get here minus 8y square. There is one linear term. Just copy it as it is minus 3 is equals to 1. Now bring this 1 on the left hand side. So you will get 12y minus 3 minus 1 equals to 0. Further, you can simplify it as minus 8y square minus 12y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now taking out minus 4 common, you get here 2y square plus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now just divide both sides with minus 4. So you get 2y square plus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now here you get a quadratic equation, that is 2y square plus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now you can find out the values of y by breaking the middle term, that is 2y square. This 3y can be written as 2y plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now in these two terms, taking out 2y common, so you are left with y plus 1. Here you can just take out 1 common, you are left with y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now in both of these terms, y plus 1 is taken out. So in this 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have two possibilities. This implies that either 1 plus 1 is y plus 1 is 0 or 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Here you get y is equals to minus 1 and here you get 2y is equals to minus 1. Further you get minus 1 upon 2, the value of y. Now since we have in equation number 3 x is equals to 2y plus 1. Putting the value of y here, x is equals to 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Here you get x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 2 plus 1, or further you can write x is equals to minus 1. So one solution of this quadratic and the linear equation is x is minus 1 and y is equals to minus 1. Now let's work on the second equation, that is y is equals to minus half. Since we have x is equals to 2y plus 1, just putting the value of y here, you get x is equals to minus 1 plus 1 and x is equals to 0. So the other solution is x is equals to 0 and y is equals to minus 1 upon 2. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.